Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to attach Excel file in Microsoft Publisher document. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show attach Excel file. Now go into the insert menu option, then click for a object option. Now open your interface. Now click for a choose from file, then click for a browse option. Now find your Excel file. Now select from file. Now click for open, then click for a link option, not now for tick mark, then click for OK. That's it. Then we show attach Excel file in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.